Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the compressor start relay in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. Have an assistant help you to pull the appliance away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw securing the water supply line retainer to the rear panel. Use a 1/2-inch wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Now unthread the remaining screws, securing the access panel. Set the panel aside. Use pliers to release the wire retainer, securing the start relay and run capacitor assembly. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the assembly from the compressor motor pins. Detach the run capacitor, then depress the tab to disconnect the wire connector to fully release the old relay. Install the new start relay by first connecting the wire connector. Then align the capacitor and push it into position. Align the relay and capacitor assembly on the compressor motor pins and push it into place. Secure with the wire retainer. Reinstall the access panel. Attach the water supply line to the inlet valve by threading the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Slide on the retainer and secure it to the rear panel with the access panel mounting screw. Push the refrigerator back against the wall. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.